Yeah, I'm back here now. So we're going to detect the presence of starch, glucose, and protein. So I've got 3 stations. Over here, we've got starch. All right? By the way, I asked some of you guys to turn on the hot plates. If they get really hot, start getting to a rolling boil, then you can go and turn them down to medium. These ones over here, you can go and make sure they're on high. Over there, make sure they're on high. And then the ones over there, is that on?
You didn't tell me.
Okay, go turn that one on. All right? So, each one of the tests, you have this sample and you have the chemical that you're going to use to react with it, okay? On the back, a lot of students worry about filling this out. All you need to do for a reagent, say Starch, Benedicts, Biurets, okay? And the starting color, the ending color. So we're going to be systematic on how we do this. So first set of directions, it says starch. Presence of starch can be detected by iodine, and that's what we're going to use. So here's the deal. Bring me one of your test tubes. You guys have got to make sure, then go have a seat. You guys have got to make sure that you stir each one of these thoroughly. The pipettes here you can put on the side because starch can get clogged up in that pipette. For the sugar station over here, and then the protein over here, the pipettes can stay there. Matter of fact, I'm going to remove the stock solution. So, and this is one thing we're not going to do. Don't say, oh, well, I'm waiting for them, and come over and take this pipette and stick it in here and contaminate our samples. Oh, some of you are shaking your head. No, we don't want to do that. All right, so your handout says place 25 drops. We made it easy in parentheses. Basically, you need 2 pipettes full. There we go. Where's 1? 2. Very easy. And I'm left-handed. Look, I did it. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
All right. So this is what we want.
Don't drop it.
Put it in your test tube rack. All right. You're going to come get the sample. You got groups of 3 or 4. One comes and gets the starch, and then takes the iodine back to their station. Because what I want to see, get this. All right. I want to see. Here's starch and the chemical indicator, and then this group's lucky because I'm giving them the supplies. I want to see. We should have newsprint underneath here.
Gosh, guys.
Okay, I don't need any editorializing.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so there's their starch test. There's their Benedict's test. Benedict's is going to be used for glucose. Biuret's is going to be used for protein. So how we're going to do this is everyone's going to go, one person comes and gets this sample, and the chemical reagent goes back to their station. So one person gets glucose, chemical reagent goes back to their station. Another one gets protein and Biuret's. Those are the 3 tests. So let's talk about what each color looks like.
And as you're going back, make sure you have your test tube labeled.
Yes.
Protein, whatever, and that's the test tube you're getting. So go back with the sugar.
This group is labeled there starch, so put starch. Don't go back there with an unlabeled one. Before we even started filming and getting this, you guys were supposed to label them. Okay.
Don't take starch to glucose.
Because what we're doing today is we're seeing what a positive starch glucose protein test looks like. Next class period, it's not going to say starch glucose protein. It's going to say unknown A, B, and C. And you're going to have to do a starch glucose protein test on all 3 samples. So we're going to do this and we're going to strategize what we need to do for your unknown one. Okay, so starch in the presence of iodine turns jet black. Glucose in the presence of Benedict's. What do we have to do to this one first? You read your directions, right? Heat it. So this is where you're going to take it over here, place it in the hot water bath, use your test tube clamp to take it out. I don't have one in front of me. There we go. Take your test tube clamp to take it out. So drop it in, look for the color change. It will turn dark orange.
And you're putting your Benedict's in before you put it in the hot water bath?
Yes. Did you hear what he just said?
Yes.
Don't sit there and heat your glucose and then say it's not working. Okay. Now, Biuret's is corrosive to skin. Don't get it on your skin. If you do, you got to wash it off really quickly. And you're basically taking this chemical. Let's say he has his protein in here, and you're holding it right over and adding this set of drops that it says on the handout. Why don't you guys use the bigger test tubes? I'm going to take this one from you.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what we want to see. You're going to go get all the stuff, you're going to set it up right here, and then you're going to go ahead and add all 3 reagents. And you'll instantly see what a starch test and what the protein test looks like. After you've done that, then your groups can go to do what? What do you have to do to Benedicts?
Heat it.
You have to heat it up. In the presence of Benedicts, when heated up, it reacts with sugar and turns it a certain color. You're going to leave here today knowing what a positive starch glucose protein test looks like. Are there any questions?
No.
Okay. What about negative? You do need to know what a negative looks like. And here's the best way to think about it. Negative is not these three colors. Negative is what it looks like before you add the chemical. All right? So we could waste chemicals and put water and put a couple drops and see it not change color. But we're not going to do that, especially with biurets. It's a corrosive chemical. All right, so while we're doing this, we'll probably walk around and filming what some of the results look like. And are you ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, tell me really quickly. Who in your group is coming here? The whole group or one of your group members?
One.
Yes, divide and conquer.